Join us as we take a delightful journey through the farm, where we'll introduce you to all the friendly animals that live there. From cows and pigs to chickens and sheep, you'll learn their names, see what they look like, and even hear the sounds they make. So grab your hat and boots, and let's get ready to explore the farm together. Horse, neigh, duck, quack. Dog, woof woof. Cat, meow. Chicken, cluck. Rooster, cock-a-doodle-doo. Pig, oink oink. Sheep, baa. Goat, maa. Rabbit, cow, moo. Donkey, hee-haw. Thank you so much for joining us on this fun farm adventure. We hope you enjoyed meeting all the amazing animals. If you had fun today, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment telling us your favorite farm animal. Make sure to subscribe to our channel so you never miss out on our exciting new videos. And don't forget to check out our other videos for more learning and fun.